I think it makes all of us better candidates, frankly. We share ideas, we criticize each other's programs, and I think that this is good for the public.
Only 4 of the 5 Democratic candidates for New York State Attorney General showed up for the 6th debate on July 20th, but they still faced a packed audience at Cardozo Law School. Despite a no-show by frontrunner Kathleen Rice, candidates Sean Coffey, Eric Dinallo, Eric Schneiderman, and Richard Brodsky spent more than an hour sparring over some of the more substantive issues facing the Attorney General's office.
It's a critically important position for law enforcement in the state of New York, and it really makes a difference to see the candidates and hear them interact with each other over an extended period of time.
The evening's most controversial and divisive moment was provided by Eric Dinallo, when he said that as Attorney General, he could recuse himself from cases that he found morally objectionable.
I think that the Attorney General's office is elected by the people, and there are cases that I could imagine that I would not represent because I am morally against it, and if somebody wants to vote me out of office on that ground, then that's the electorate's right.
If you know already that there is some part of the Attorney General's repertoire that you personally couldn't do, I think you ought to tell us.
Part of the problem is it opens up a real slippery slope. If the Attorney General starts picking and choosing which cases to defend, there could be really no end. And also, when the Attorney General's office recuses itself on a case, it means the state of New York then has to go out and hire a private law firm to defend the state. So it's potentially extremely expensive for the state if the Attorney General's office declines to defend a lot of cases and the state has to look for separate counsel.
Other topics included the environment, Wall Street, and civil rights. Sean Coffey cited the growing importance of intellectual property law and said that he would create an IP protection unit.
The internet has, well, it's a great thing, is being used to siphon away profits and revenue from intellectual property holders because folks can go on their websites and watch it for free instead of paying for the content.
And all the candidates talked about cleaning up the mess in Albany, a topic that Dean Diller says he's leery of.
One of the things that has happened is that the Attorney General's office has not become embroiled and entangled with the partisan politics of Albany. It has not become just another player in this mass of dysfunctionality. It has remained somewhat apart from all of that, and that's been a real strength and advantage of the office.
The evening's debate was moderated by New York Daily News columnist Liz Benjamin and was co-sponsored by Cardozo Law School and the New York Democratic Lawyers Council.
The debate between the Attorney General candidates here at Cardozo was really a great event for the school. It's the type of thing that we love to do, to bring real-world legal issues and important subjects of legal debate into our building for the benefit of our students and our community. And it's also one of the ways in which we support the legal community and support the public in New York. So it was a great opportunity for us to help these candidates get their views and ideas out and to enable the public to make an informed choice in this important election.